BINIAM GIRMAY, Macho from the pool launching his sprint versus Serrano. Macho from the pool through the middle. Macho from the pool. This is what he needs towards the World Championships. A last effort there by BINIAM GIRMAY, but the winner is Macho